Today I want to show you how to turn on some feature tools, some newer features in Canvas that can really help you to be a better teacher. So if you go in Canvas, go to your course and go to settings, and then look at the feature options up here. And you can see there's a bunch of different things that you can activate. So if it's green, it's active. If it's red X, then it's not active. So the feature option, which is AI generated rubrics, which I've tried before, and it's actually really pretty cool to create rubrics with the help of AI. The other one I really like is the discussion summaries, which is great, which gives you summaries. So enable that one. Enhanced rubrics, your choice. You can play around. It's not necessary. You can eventually do an export of your course, but that's, you don't need that obviously for your teaching experience. The grading assistance, that's a very new feature. I don't know much about it. You can play around, but what I really wanted to show you is the smart search button. That's really cool. You can add the button on the side of your screen for students to search for anything. So, and then another one, if you like stickers and smiley faces, you can do submission stickers as well. So we enable this, and then you refresh, and then we see, for example, the smart search should be on this side now. And if it's not on the side, you have to, let's see if it's there. Yes, it hasn't popped up on the side, so you need to go to navigation. And let's look for smart search. Oh yeah, it's here at the bottom. It hasn't refreshed yet, so you can move it to a different place so that students can see it easily. So if you have any questions for the students, they can just go into a smart search. Again, make sure whenever you use the navigation buttons to save it. And then we refresh it. And here's your smart search. So you can say, for example, if you want to look for Gramstein, here we go. So now you can see that all the different places in your course that have Gramstein in it, it shows up, and then students can just go to wherever they need to go. So it's a really nice feature.